Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how can you fix Home would like to send you critical alerts on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iPhone and when you have open Home tab on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue and your touch is not working properly, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to first restart your iPhone. How can you do this? You have to click on volume up button, volume down, and click and hold on power button until Apple logo is not appear. As you can see here, simply you have to wait for some seconds to appearing Apple logo. As you can see here, when Apple logo is appear, then you need to release this power button. As you can see, simply you have to release your power button and wait for its opening. So guys, when your iPhone will be open, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your iPhone smoothly without any interruption. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds. Now you can see iPhone has been activated and your problem has been fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.